Should be a pretty nice day for it. Near record high temperatures in store for us that may fuel some thunderstorms though by tonight. Checking in outside this morning, actually should enjoy a really nice sunrise coming up over the next hour or so. We've got just a few high thin clouds that's going to add some color to the sky. Live views coming in from Mount Vernon and Metropolis. You can see some of that sunrise there, at least getting the start of it in Metropolis. We should see a great sunrise as well into Poplar Bluff and on the Benton Square. There's the high thin clouds rolling in. Once again, we'll still see some sunshine from time to time through the day. Right now outside temperatures are back into the upper 40s in many areas of southern Illinois. A little warmer into Kentucky, 40 at this hour into Mount Vernon, bottoming out just a couple of hours ago in the upper 30s. One of the colder spots on the map though. 43 in Sparta, Poplar Bluff here at 46, Cape at 45, Marion at 51 still, and even warmer into western Kentucky where Paducah right now is at 58 degrees. The record in Carbondale today 75. We're going to make a pretty good run at it coming up this afternoon. It will fuel some thunderstorms though by tonight, especially into far southern Illinois areas near the Ohio River and then southward into Kentucky. A few stronger storms cannot be ruled out. Then looking ahead to Thursday morning's dry, but increasing chances for rain through the afternoon, especially into the evening hours. Some of the rain Thursday night and Friday, very heavy here in our region. Another big storm system is going to not only bring heavy rainfall, but more wind as well to wrap up the work week. Pretty quiet right now though across the central U.S. Kind of the quiet or the calm before the storm though, as we do expect showers and storms to be increasing later on today. Notice the timing here. It's about 3 p.m. We're still dry. Cold front though cutting into the region from the north and west, and look at those temperatures in the mid 70s in most areas. We could even see a few spots closing in on 80 into parts of Kentucky this afternoon. But by about 6 o'clock we start seeing just a couple of isolated showers and storms developing in our region. Warm, somewhat humid air near this cold front, and that is going to bring a chance for a few stronger storms. Storms increase after sunset this evening, and once again a few stronger storms near the Ohio River southward into Kentucky. Mount Vernon, Sparta, Pinckneyville, you may not see any rain. I would actually say your chances of seeing rain this evening are pretty slim, but we'll see the storms exit quickly after midnight. Then 6 a.m. Thursday morning we're waking up dry. Thursday afternoon, much of the daylight hours will be dry on Thursday, but here comes the rain increasing Thursday evening, quickly becoming widespread. And then overnight, look at all that red and the orange. Well, that's not necessarily severe weather. That is the potential there. Some very heavy rainfall moving through, and some of that will stick around into Friday as area of low pressure passes just to our north. Storm Prediction Center on a scale of 1 to 5 for severe storms puts us in a 1 for this evening. Main threat would be large hail, in addition to quite a bit of lightning, thunder, and some heavy rain. 2 to 3 inches of rain, though, out of this next storm system through the end of this week. That brings a pretty high flooding threat, which looks to be highest in southeast Missouri, but a medium flooding threat. We're going to have some localized flooding coming up later on this week. Winds will also be a factor. Falling temperatures on Friday. Wind gusts may top 50 miles per hour, very similar to the start of the week where we saw some of those gusts topping 50. Now, much quieter this weekend. Saturday, some sunshine. Temperatures in the mid 50s, upper 50s, near 60 on Sunday. We're back in the mid 60s towards the early part of next week. But can you believe it, Dave? Starting off the month of March, temperatures in the 70s.
Not going to complain. All right.